Few kitchen tools are as versatile and timeless as the Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. Combining superior craftsmanship with practical features, this 8-inch cast iron skillet is perfect for a variety of cooking techniques, from searing and sautéing to baking and frying. Paired with the handy red mini silicone hot handle holder, it elevates the cooking experience, offering both functionality and safety. In this detailed review, we'll explore why this Lodge cast iron skillet has become a kitchen essential for chefs and home cooks alike. By the end, you'll understand why this skillet deserves a place in your cookware collection. Why choose the Lodge cast iron skillet? Exceptional cooking performance. The heat retention and even cooking capabilities of this skillet outshine most other cookware. Meals cooked in cast iron retain a distinct depth of flavor, whether it's a simple fried egg or a slow-cooked stew. Eco-friendly and chemical-free. Unlike non-stick pans coated with synthetic materials, Lodge cast iron skillets use natural vegetable oil for seasoning. This chemical-free process makes it a healthier and eco-friendlier option, perfect for beginners and experts. Whether you're new to cooking or a seasoned chef, this skillet adapts to your skill level. Its forgiving nature lets beginners experiment, while its professional-grade quality satisfies the demands of experts. Key features of the Lodge cast iron skillet. 1. Unparalleled heat retention and even heating. The Lodge cast iron skillet is crafted to deliver exceptional heat retention, ensuring your food cooks evenly. Whether you're searing a steak to perfection or baking a golden cornbread, the even distribution of heat guarantees consistent results every time. Its ability to maintain high heat makes it ideal for recipes that require precise temperature control. 2. Pre-seasoned for convenience. The skillet comes pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, allowing you to start cooking right out of the box. The Lodge proprietary seasoning process involves a high-temperature baking method that creates a natural, easy-release surface. This seasoning improves over time, making your skillet better with every use. Pro tip: to maintain the seasoning, lightly coat the surface with cooking oil after each use. 3. Versatility across cooking methods. From stovetop to oven, from campfire to induction cooktop, the Lodge cast iron skillet is compatible with nearly every heat source. You can use it to sear and sauté vegetables, meats, and seafood, bake desserts like cobblers and crisps, broil cheesy dishes or gratins, fry pancakes, eggs, or even a mess of catfish. Its robust design makes it equally suitable for indoor cooking and outdoor adventures. 4. Durable build for a lifetime of cooking. Made in the USA, the Lodge cast iron skillet is built to last for decades, if not generations. Unlike flimsy pans that warp or degrade over time, cast iron is known for its toughness. With proper care, this skillet will remain a dependable part of your kitchen arsenal. 5. Thoughtful add-ons. Red silicone hot handle holder. Handling a cast iron skillet can be tricky due to its high heat retention. The included red mini silicone hot handle holder fits snugly over the skillet's handle, providing a secure and heat-resistant grip. This practical addition enhances safety and makes it easier to transport the skillet from stovetop to table. Caring for your Lodge cast iron skillet. To ensure your skillet lasts a lifetime, follow these simple care tips. 1. Hand wash only. Use warm water and a stiff brush. Avoid soap or dishwashers. 2. Dry thoroughly. Immediately dry the skillet to prevent rust. 3. Re-season regularly. Rub with a light coat of cooking oil after each wash. 4. Store properly. Store in a dry place to maintain its quality. With minimal effort, your skillet will remain in top condition and continue to deliver outstanding results. Final verdict: a timeless addition to your kitchen. This Lodge cast iron skillet with red mini silicone hot handle holder is more than just cookware. It's an investment in quality, durability, and exceptional cooking. Its versatility, heat retention, and timeless design make it a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a home cook, this skillet will elevate your culinary creations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.